Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to analyze different currency pairs for the upcoming week starting from Monday 27th February 2023 and the week will end on Friday 3rd March 2023. So almost like 2 months of the year is gone and rest is left. So let's see, we will make very nice profits in the rest of the year. Yesterday I did a gold forex forecast, and I'm sure if you have seen that video and if you pay close attention to each and every level and the concept that I discussed yesterday in the video, I think you will be able to take better decisions, you will be able to make good profits, you will be able to learn new concepts. So I put time and effort in these videos, and if I don't get feedback, seems like that's injustice to my hard work that I do right here to educate all of you, which I have learned on the basis of my own skills, on the basis of a lot of blown accounts, I should say. And there is like when we get to a certain level as forex traders, what happens is we get a sort of knowledge, and I'm sure you will get that too. You will also get to that point when you will be experienced. So then you will know that to become a successful trader, you have to put a lot of effort. And since 2016, I'm trading with this Fibonacci trading strategy. All of my previous videos are available on my channel, and you just have a look at them if you get a chance. If you have no time, just watch the recent ones that I uploaded this year's, because most of the stories that I cover requires uh, like, let's say, let me show you, it requires that you should study the past data in order to predict it for the future using Fibonacci. So right here today in front of me there are a lot of currency pairs, and obviously uh, too many currency pairs I cannot discuss, but the major ones like the dollar CAD, dollar yen, Swiss franc. Let's have a look at the Swiss franc. I had a buy. Oh, look at this. It is clearly approaching 0.9482, but let's see, it's not yet final. Let me know how many of you took this trade, just like we discussed last week. It was a very perfect level. So, like one, two, and one, two, three, four candles. So, overall, a very fantastic week it was. RSI is like, for the bulls, this RSI may be a sort of danger for most of these pairs, like the dollar yen, dollar Swiss franc, and dollar CAD. Here, one of my setup failed on the dollar CAD last week, but it's okay. It's part of trading. Certain things happens. So let's see, and let's find out. Month is also going to close, so euro dollar. Let's have a quick look at what it did. I'm also following this story from here. As a day trader, traded this one, took some partial profit, little bit of profits, and then traded this one, nice one. Obviously not on this account, okay? On this account, I just trade US 30 and gold. So maybe tomorrow I will be showing you some live trades in one of my video, because soon I'm going to take some new trades on this same account. I'm going to take trades on euro dollar, dollar CAD, pound dollar for the first time, right? The account is not too much. It's just like started with 10,000. And so let's see, let's find out. Don't get bored, because this is like, if you are always in a rush, you are not gonna make it in Forex. Remember, you are not gonna make it if you are in rush. If you are someone who is always in a rush. So since I have to record this right here, I have to analyze it right here, and without editing, I have to upload it to YouTube. So it takes a little bit time to find the proper levels, because obviously if I'm saying anything publicly, I should think about it, because everyone should think about what they speak, and especially if it's forex trading. So on the pound and on the euro, what happens is the RSI is below 20, right? And what happens on the euro dollar is it's also below 20. Below 20, below 20, and same is the gold as well on daily. So now let's see. Let's delete everything from here. This is euro dollar. Let's have a look at the monthly, and let me once again tell you that in such situations, when RSI on most of the pairs, if we find correlation with the dollar, Swiss franc, and dollar CAD, dollar yen, they show overbought, pound show oversold, a euro dollar show oversold, pound show oversold. So it should be just one second. Thank you. Okay, so euro dollar. Okay, previous setups. So in my videos, if you see them, previous previous setups are on my channel. Well, first thing first, and that is to find Fibonacci at 1.01, right? 1.0108. Now, let's find out if there is something right here. Okay. On 30th June 2002, 2002, and nothing else. So historically 1.01 has nothing to do with the support, other than this just very old previous resistance, right? Very old right here, if you see right here, and that also got failed. Yes, one thing, and that is for sure, and that is this is like one good indication with me. Why? Because just have a look at it. A failure, nothing else. Okay. Here we have a recent support right here at this zone. See? And this is the Fibonacci. Move to the daily. Let's see. Now, on the daily time frame, if we see, what happens is we got a bullish trend right here. And it's at the start, remember. This is bullish, right? This euro dollar is bullish overall on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly, everywhere it's bullish. But one thing I want to show you, and that is like why I'm saying it's bullish. Obviously, there must be something. Let me start this story from right here. What date was that? 2021. This bearish started on in May 2021. May 2021. And it was supposed to retest this level. Now, the daily tells me that it's right here at a support, a very, very confusing level, I should say. Why a confusing level? Let me explain that to you. Uh, a confusing level because here it is at a support. On the weekly, it's showing a very, very strong candle right here. Let me show you. Let me explain actually. What this candle suggests? A bearish move, continuation, indecision, continuation, support. A break, a retest, a downward move. Okay, switch to the daily and let's find out the fib level. One Fibonacci failed right here. Remember the weekly one, the daily one, sorry, right here. Nice a take off the bulls, but not too good. So I think if you are holding a sell position from the top, hold it till 101, 1.01. And if you get a close below from this zone of 1.04, you can trade it towards 385. This RSI will make a bit of trouble. A bit of trouble it may create, but these days what I have found is when RSI is below 20, what happens is a sudden pumping. Okay, they pump either bearish, either bullish. So some small, bigger candles, if they forms, usually they form there. I will not recommend taking a buy, right? Taking a buy because we have just seen a failure of the Fibonacci. So just give me some time, and this upcoming week I want to further see if it want to go down or not. If let's say if I want to take a trade right here, I will try to record that video and upload it right here so that later we can discuss and later I can refer to that trade. At the moment, this is sort of a bit confusing, I should say, according to the structures, because my strategy tells me that it's approaching 1.01. The structures tells me that we have got a break of structure, and not just one structure, but several structures we have, like price has broke, even this top right here. So overall, uh, this is bearish, but I think let's see, market might be slow right here and it may take around 1 or 1.5 months, but I cannot, one thing for sure I want to tell you, I cannot predict in how much time it will happen, right? If I did, I would be trading futures as well, the contracts I mean to say, but and no one can predict the time in forex trading. Categorically, I'm saying it. No one will be able, unless if that person is a very, very big trader, a very big trader, and who has insider information. So maybe he know, but I cannot predict the time zone that in how much time it will happen. So on euro dollar, I want to stay neutral in any trade I will be taking. I definitely will be sharing it with you. Pound dollar going very smoothly, very nicely. Try to see my previous videos, especially the one that I uploaded on 1st February. So 1.1770, it is approaching it. Nice 1.2136 retest right here, if you remember. Very nice and perfect trade it was. And market is currently on this impulsive wave right here. This one, let's see. These are some day trading levels, so I'm going to delete it. Now, on the pound dollar, like the euro dollar and the pound dollar, they move the same way. If pound is going down, euro will be going down. But right here, what it tells me is it's going down to 1.1770. I was afraid of this support right here. So I didn't find something right here. But since I know that euro and pound moves the same way most of the time, so if there is nothing important on the pound, obviously market has to reverse back. So 1.1770, let's see. This is also at a support, but if we see, this is not that much strong support. Maybe some day trades, right? Some day trades right here. Now, if you want to trade it, obviously I will not recommend anyone to trade. But let's say if I was if I want to add more position, what I'm going to do is simply we'll take this impulsive wave. We'll put one pending stop, pending limit at 1.2066 pending order, and one right here, because I know. And it has to go down. It has to complete 1.1770. It has to go further down. It has to go down to 1.1163 once again, but that may take time. Let's see. It can find a range in some of my videos. Like if we see these bulls, right? If we see these bulls, very nicely they took the market up. Very nice continuation of this trend. See? Continuation. But what happened is market made a top. And on the weekly, right? Just have a look at it, the weekly. So according to the strategy, it has to come back down too much, but like this 1.17 is not a big deal for it. And personally, I will be trading it. Personally, I will be trading it. So pound still is down, and day trading opportunities. Let's see, during the week I will update you about that. Now Aussie dollar, US dollar, let's see. Oh, very nice. Nicely completion, and at 309 pips of trade which go positive. Same situation right here again today. 6541. 6541 is the price level for Aussie dollar, US dollar. 190, 190 pips. And it all also has to come back down to, yes, 0.6541 right here. 0.6541. But obviously, every time the market will not be like when I say it's going down, it doesn't mean it has to go down from Monday onwards. It's not necessarily. But before the price close above 4 like 0.7191, it will be bearish towards 6541. So those who picked this story from right here, they can easily trade this one if they even are out of the market. So if you traded this one, you made good profit. You traded this one, you made good profit. If you want to trade this one, trade it. Why? Because even if you lose it, it will be very, very less because you have made profit from here, from here. You have to give back some of the profits you have generated to the retail traders, right? Because if we the weekly traders and the big traders, if we don't give a chance for the day traders to generate 50 60 pips, that's not really a good idea, right? So most of the big traders right here, what I see when I'm usually sometimes when I get a chance and meet, what happens is uh oh, I completely forgot what I was saying. Anyways, 6731 right here, Aussie dollar, and it has to come back down. Now the Swiss franc. What I was saying, I can stop the recording and I have to watch it and then I have to continue. But for that, uh, what will happen is I have to go for editing and I don't want to spend time on editing. So now the Swiss franc, if we see 9482, it is approaching it. Nothing much to talk about. I will recommend to watch some of my previous videos because obviously that will help you a lot. So just give me a few seconds. I'm trying to pause the video and then restart it. Anyways, let's leave it. There is no pause button right here. Here it is. Okay, so dollar Swiss franc, obviously it's going up. So let's see what it tells us. Let's see this pair right here we have. Since on my yesterday I asked you which pairs are you interested in, but I got no comments from you guys. So okay, this is, I guess, okay, this is gold. Sell 0.20 and sell 0.25. I was, by the way, 3000, around 3500 negative on US 30 for almost like 4 months, and it's now at 1500 negative. I had some gold positions which were negative and they are now positive. So very, very nicely it's going. Let's see dollar CAD and let's delete everything. Let's have a look at the trend first of all, like this. This is the trend. Let's have a look at the weekly and let's find out what's going on the weekly time frame. Nice story. I have covered it if you remember in ABCD. Then another and an ABCD. Even a retest and a complete new story, a break of structure. That structure became a support, market went up. Now the main thing. Let's delete this, we don't need it for now. And just plot Fibonacci. Okay, market like is still on this story right here, and right here it will be stuck. So now it is at a price point where I need the market to be open. I need some more data obviously on the dollar CAD as well. But what I think is it's going up. And what I feel and what the strategy tells me, what happened, let me explain. A complete change in trend. It was bearish, it got bullish. Went up, took resistance, came back down, counter trend, took a Fibonacci, went back up. Now let me show you another thing. Remember this thing, okay? This Fibonacci, remember it. Now let me show you one more thing. A trend change, see, a change in trend, a broken structure, a continuation, all-time high or maybe retest of the, not high, but it is also 61.8 on the higher time frames. Came back down, took 61.8. I said remember it, it is 61.8. Went back up, came down. This is also 61.8. Go up, what is this? This is bottom. And obviously is continuing back up till 1.4273. What I usually do on my personal accounts is I take a trade and just leave it, right? With a $10,000 of account, I trade it, and once it grow, I withdraw. I have a certain limit. So let's see. Still there is, it's up, but obviously it requires some more data in order to trade it. Now, in the upcoming week, what you can do is it's coming back down, right? Now you must be saying, I just said it's going up. Now I'm saying it's going down. It depends what type of trader you are. In the weekly traders, the long-term traders, there are, like, this is the whole globe. Different types of traders, different equities, different leverages. So here, why I'm saying it's down, it doesn't mean we have to take a sell trade. No, I don't mean that. But what I mean to say is it has to come back down to, not has to, but according to my strategy, it should now approach 1.3416. So it will be coming back down, and gold will be coming back up, euro will be coming back up, pound will be. But let's see if these bears, because I just want to tell you that if you want to follow dollar CAD is, and if you have open trades, if you want to find some more trade opportunities, and if you have, let's say if you are making good profits right here and you want to counter trend right here, you can do that as well. So 1.3416 I'm going to take buy trades, otherwise I will be taking some trades, and I will be showing those trades with you. I'll be showing the account progress as well. So make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon along with some feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and since there are a lot of support resistances, but at least the concepts that I have delivered to you, even if you learn them, you will be able to trade with it for your entire life without anyone, right? So let's see. I will further keep you updated about these pairs in different videos on a daily basis. So till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.